What's up, core crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, it's another wig review. Thank you so much to Sam's Beauty for sending me this unit. I'm super excited. This is not a new release, but it's been one that's always been on my radar. Today I will be reviewing Outre Perfect Hairline in the style Julianne. I remember when this first came out, I was obsessed. Like, I remember watching, I think it was Cassie That Girl's like review, and she had the chocolate swirl color, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need it. But I don't know why I never got it. I don't know why I never picked up the wig, but the sad part of today's video is that I didn't get the chance to get the chocolate swirl color just because they were out of stock, but I did pick it up in a 1B, so you guys know that's like that's my area, the 1Bs. I don't like to try color, but you know, the chocolate swirl is like one that I've tried before and I just am obsessed, but it's okay. I took the wig out the box because I did do a bit of plucking. Let me know down in the comments if you guys would want to see like a plucking tutorial. But yeah, this is the box. It's a part of the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. This is like, you can tell that it's one of the older boxes because it like slides, like you have to open it up, and with the newer boxes it just like slides like this way. It comes with HD transparent soft Swiss lace, a fully hand-tied 13x6 frontal, no plucking required, baby hairs, adjustable wide elastic band, and it's also heat styling friendly. So the girl on the stock card is wearing chocolate swirl too. She looks amazing. But we got it in a 1B. It does come in other special colors in case you're interested. So the chocolate swirl, the honey blonde, honey brown, ginger brown, and red velvet. So let's just try her on. Right now I have her on my mannequin head because, like I said, I did do a bit of plucking, not too much honestly. It's like the more I pluck, I don't really see a difference honestly, so I'm kind of just stopping and gonna see how it looks on my head. But it's kind of like when I pluck, it's just a lot of hair. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but I'm gonna try it on for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like straight out before I like glue it down and everything. I'm not gonna glue it down, just I should see if I could do this glueless, because I do have the Wig Fix. But yeah, so this is how it looks. It's like the perfect length. It's also a very natural texture. The length goes to about right here. I'll give you guys a full 360 in a minute. And it is a free part, so you can literally part it anywhere that you want. You guys know I tend to go for my side parts, but you can do whatever you want. Yeah, it's just it's a lot of hair, which I was kind of expecting just because of the stock card. So the texture reminds me of NEESHA. Like, she really reminds me of NEESHA, just because NEESHA always is a lot of hair. NEESHA always is a yaggy texture, so it's definitely like a blowout type of like unit. And yeah, she's giving NEESHA vibes but with a frontal. So I'm going to try to do her glueless. So I will try to walk you guys through this just because this will be my first time doing like a glueless unit if this all works out. I recently was sent the Wig Fix from the Renatural, and literally oh my gosh, I can't even speak. Literally, it kind of went viral on TikTok when I did my video using it. I've like literally always seen people use the Wig Fix, and I was like, oh my gosh, I really want it. So I reached out to them seeing if they would send it to me, and they did. It's called the Wig Fix from the Renatural. They come in a number of different colors. I picked it up in tan, but I believe there's 5 different colors that you can choose from. So just get the one that is closest to your complexion. This allows for your wig to be like snug and not go anywhere. So yeah, we're gonna see if it works. I tried it on my bang wig and it did so well, like it wasn't going anywhere, so we'll see. To tint the lace on this hair, it's already like, one thing that I do like about Miss Julianne already is that the lace isn't as like ashy, or like, I guess not as transparent as the newer units have become. Like, it's kind of has a tint to the lace already, which is really nice. But I am still going to go in and apply my powder foundation. So the powder foundation I use is the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation in NC50. Okay, so let me just put this wig on. I want it to be like super snug so that it does not go anywhere when it's on my head. Okay, so here it is on my head. Ooh, not me about to rip the lace, child. Don't do that, don't do that. Wow, I'm kind of here for this. Okay, let me take a TikTok real quick because literally all I have to do is cut the lace and I think it'll be lit. Okay guys, so I just applied the wig. I think I showed you guys everything, like me putting on the Wig Fix and everything like that. So I will definitely probably be doing this for like future videos just because this is gonna make my install so much easier. I usually, like, you know, apply the wig with spray, but this makes it like it's no need to do that. The only thing though, I'm like a little bit worried about, you guys probably can't see it on camera, but like hopefully you can't, I don't know, but you can kind of see the Wig Fix, which is good like right here, but like at the top it's not. So we're gonna see if we can like hide that a bit, but right now I'm like in love. Also I'm really in love with this hair. I'm about to just cut off the lace. I kind of just want to put a little bit of spray, but I don't need it, but I'm just like, I don't know. I'm just gonna cut off the lace and then I don't know if I want to apply some heat to the top, but yeah, I'm gonna do a bit of like cutting and I'll be back. So here is the final look. This is Miss Outre Perfect Hairline Julianne. I do have some thoughts, so definitely keep watching if you want to hear my pros and my cons. One, I want to say, if you are interested in like achieving a glueless install, definitely check out the Wig Fix. I tried it out today. You guys saw that literally it is not going anywhere, and I didn't have to use any glue or spray today, which I am really excited about because I don't really want to wear this wig out today. I kind of just want to throw on my headband wig while I'm doing some errands today. So the fact that I didn't have to glue this unit down is amazing. So definitely in future uploads you might see, or future wig reviews, you might see me use the Wig Fix to apply my wig. So that's like a new way that you can apply your wigs too if you are interested in like a glueless install and don't really want to do anything with spray, glue, adhesive, any of that. So definitely check that out. Back to the wig. Honestly, you guys, I don't know what took me so long to try this wig. It literally looks so natural. I love the length, I love the density, and that's probably my only con. The only con is the density. Like, I could see a lot of people not liking how big this hair is, but I love big hair. It just really looks like I got a fresh blowout. It's really giving me NEESHA vibes. I think if you don't like a lot of hair but you really do like the kinky texture, definitely check out Outre Perfect Hairline. I mean, not Perfect Hairline, Outre Melted Hairline in the style Kamaya. Like, I feel like Kamaya is the perfect density, perfect texture similar to this, but if you're not a huge fan of like big hair similar to this style, you would love Kamaya. Wig is like gorgeous. Like, the way it just melted down, the way I didn't have to use any glue today, like, period. I could just snatch this wig off, you know, not too easily because it ain't going nowhere. Like, the Wig Fix is legit. But I don't have to deal with like taking off my wigs how we usually do. Cons, I really don't have any. I didn't really experience shedding at all. I didn't experience any tangling, and I honestly think that this wig will last you a minute, even if you're doing like everyday wear, just because it is a kinky texture. It's still completely like super soft, but at the same time it's a kinky texture, so it takes a minute for these types of wigs to tangle up. Of course it's synthetic, so it will tangle up eventually, but you know, you have a little bit more use out of her, and like compared to a silky wig. I think that you all will really like her. Will she be an everyday wig? I feel like she's an everyday wig for some people. For me, she's just too much hair for an everyday wig. But I know a lot of people like big hair, and this is a big hair. It's very giving, it's giving like fresh blowout. So yeah, I love the curls. Like the curls came a little bit tighter than this, but I just like brushed them out with my little Denman brush, so they're giving more like waves right now, but still very pretty. Natural hairline, check. I did pluck a little bit, but you guys, not even that much to like say that I did anything. Like I literally did not pluck that much. Yeah, I really like this wig. I'm always excited to try new wigs just because there's always different textures, there's different lengths, and this is like a perfect natural looking wig. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if you've ever tried Julianne. What are your thoughts? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.